In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix shipping not available in Shopify. If customers are seeing that shipping isn't available at checkout, it usually comes down to a few settings that need attention. Let's walk through them clearly so you can get orders flowing again. First, log into your Shopify account and land on your main dashboard. Think of this as your command center. Everything you adjust here affects how your store runs and what your customers experience. Next, head to Settings. You'll find it at the bottom left of the dashboard. This is where you manage important back-end operations such as checkout, payments, and, most importantly for today, shipping. Inside Settings, click Shipping and Delivery. This section controls your logistics, shipping profiles, delivery zones, rates, and packaging preferences. If shipping isn't showing up for customers, it often means a product isn't included in a shipping profile or a region is missing from your zones. While you're here, review how your products are handled for shipping. Go to All Products to check each item that should be shipped. Make sure the product is marked as a physical product and that it has a weight assigned. Carriers and rate calculators rely on weight, so leaving this blank can cause shipping to fail. Also, confirm the product is part of the correct shipping profile. If a product sits outside your main profile, it may not inherit your standard shipping options. Now, set up international shipping if you sell outside your home country. In the Shipping and Delivery area, click International. Add your primary countries, such as Austria, Australia, and Belgium, and build out coverage in the regions where you plan to deliver. This is where you tailor profiles to account for delivery speeds, customs, and regional requirements. If a destination isn't listed, Shopify can't offer rates for it at checkout. Click More to expand additional options and open the summary. This overview helps you catch details you might have missed, such as which profiles include which products and what regions have coverage. Use this summary like a checklist to ensure every product and destination aligns with your intended shipping setup. Finally, verify and add any missing regions. Make sure all the countries your customers order from are actually included in your international options. Gaps here are a common reason buyers see shipping not available. Once everything looks complete, save your changes. That's it. With products properly configured and regions covered, the shipping not available message should disappear, and your customers will be able to check out without a hitch.